Kyle here, Diesel Power Products. Today we're going to talk about the Carli suspension rear leaf shackles for the 05 to 26 Ford Power Strokes. When it comes to improving the ride quality on the Ford Power Stroke, you may not necessarily focus right away at that rear shackle, but it is a crucial part of why some of these trucks ride so rough, and Carli came out with a solution for it. So on the OE rear shackle, they have vulcanized bushings. They're compressed bushings that are constantly fighting against each other. They're not serviceable, and they limit the travel of your rear suspension. Carli fixed that problem with their rear shackles with their bushing setup, and they are serviceable. So when you shoot the grease in here, it goes down a lot of these channels in between the bushing and the silver sleeve, making sure it's lubricated and allowing your rear suspension to completely travel freely and smoothly. If you would like to get a set and improve the ride quality on your Ford Power Stroke, you can get them today at dieselpowerproducts.com.